So here we're making rice in the clay pot. Rice in the clay pot is a specialty. They put a little oil, like this one here, the pot first, so that the rice doesn't stick. And then you put the clay pots, from where the name comes, on these coal bricks, which look like Swiss cheese with all these holes, but it's actually coal fuel that is used to heat the clay pot and cook the rice. So it's kind of baked. It's not steamed, obviously. It's not fried. It's kind of baked rice, which is not usual for us. And now这个什么？
这个是米饭。
米饭 okay. So they put also a little water there. This is the raw rice with water, so that it, of course, it can absorb some water and get the proper consistency. Okay.
Where are you from?
谢谢
Where are you from?
I am from Italy.
Italy.
Roma. Nina
Here.
from Guiyang.
Yeah.
Your restaurant is very good. 你的饭馆好吃。你的饭馆很好吃。
I'm just eat here.
You're eating here.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm a
你的饭馆
customer. Yes.
你的饭馆很好吃。你的饭馆。谢谢。